Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to use event monitoring in Salesforce. This is a powerful security and analytics feature that helps us track user activity across our Salesforce organization. Let's get started. From your Salesforce dashboard to access event monitoring, all we need to do is click the quick settings in the upper right corner. You will see it as a gear icon. Click it, and a pop-up window will appear with all the available options. The first option we want is Setup. Just click that to open it. Inside Setup, we have access to both basic and advanced Salesforce settings. To save time, we can use the quick find box and type in Event Monitoring. This makes it much easier to find what we need without scrolling through every option. From the results, click Event Log Browser. This is where we can view all the logs recorded in our Salesforce org. We can review, filter, and export those logs whenever we need them. Since this is a new account with no logs yet, we can also go into Event Monitoring settings to enable the feature. We can turn on event log generation, and from here, we can also manage transaction policies and event managers. We can also enable Tier 3 protection if needed. Once everything is set up, just click Save. And that is how we use event monitoring in Salesforce. With this feature, we can keep our organization secure and stay on top of user activity.